Welcome to Bestsellers Market, your go-to channel for discovering the top products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of sewing machines, showcasing the best sellers on Amazon. Whether you're a seasoned seamstress or just starting your sewing journey, these machines are guaranteed to impress with their features, reliability, and performance. So without further ado, let's get started with our countdown of the best-selling sewing machines on Amazon. Sit back, relax, and let's find the perfect sewing machine for you. Are you searching for the ideal sewing companion? Let's dive into our number 5 pick, the Sewing Machine Portable Mini Electric Sewing Machine for Beginners. This sleek and compact machine, weighing just 2.4 kilograms and measuring 12.2 by 5.9 by 11.8 inches, is perfect for a wide range of household sewing needs. From remodeling clothing to creating handmade crafts, this machine is a versatile powerhouse designed to fit right into your home. Now let's talk about power. This sewing machine boasts dual power and dual switch functionality, offering both foot switch and button switch control. Whether you're a novice just getting started or an experienced sewing enthusiast, this feature makes operation a breeze. You can power it up using an AC adapter or 4 AA batteries, making it incredibly portable for those on-the-go sewing moments. But a word of caution: never use both power modes simultaneously to avoid damaging the motor. Threading your needle has never been simpler, thanks to the handy threading indication marks printed right on the body. Before you begin, it's highly recommended to watch the user guide video. This step-by-step visual guide ensures you'll be crafting your projects with ease and confidence. One of the standout features of this sewing machine is its 12 built-in stitches, each designed for specific tasks. Adjust stitch length with options 1 through 4. Explore pattern stitches with settings 5 and 6. Secure your seams with the lock stitch options at 7 and 8, and tackle curves with stitches 9 through 12. And don't forget about reverse stitching. Simply press and hold the reverse sewing switch to engage this function, perfect for reinforcing those seams. Safety and proper use are paramount. Remember, do not use the battery and AC adapter simultaneously. Incorrect operation can lead to jamming or broken needles. So take a moment to thoroughly watch the instructional video and read the user manual to ensure a smooth sewing experience. If any questions arise, the support team is just a call away, ready to assist. This Sewing Machine Portable Mini Electric Sewing Machine for Beginners is more than just a tool. It's your gateway to endless creative possibilities. Whether you're hemming curtains, mending a favorite shirt, or diving into a new DIY project, this machine is here to make every stitch count. Next on our countdown, coming in at number 4, we have the Brothers Sewing Machine XM2701. This lightweight marvel is a true game-changer for sewing enthusiasts, boasting an impressive array of features that cater to both beginners and seasoned pros alike. Imagine having 27 unique built-in stitches at your fingertips. The XM2701 doesn't just offer basic stitching. It includes decorative, blind hem, zigzag, and stretch stitches, along with an auto-size buttonhole. This machine turns every sewing project into a creative adventure, allowing you to explore a variety of stitching techniques with ease. One standout feature is the automatic needle threader. No more squinting and struggling to get the thread through the needle. This machine does it for you, perfectly threading the needle in seconds. And the drop-in top bobbin? It's not just convenient, it's jam-resistant, ensuring smooth and uninterrupted sewing sessions. Accessories are the name of the game with the XM2701. This machine comes with 6 sewing feet, a 3-piece needle set, a twin needle, 4 bobbins, an instructional DVD, and a manual. Everything you need to dive into your next project is right there in the box. Versatility is key with the free arm feature. From sewing cuffs and sleeves to hemming pants, this machine can handle a wide range of everyday sewing tasks effortlessly. Whether you're mending, creating, or customizing, the XM2701 adapts to your needs. And when it comes to support, Brother has you covered with their At Your Side support. Enjoy free technical assistance via online chat, live support, or phone for the life of your machine. That's peace of mind you can rely on. Please note, this product is designed for sale in the US at 120 volts. Using it outside these parameters will void the warranty, so be sure to use it as intended. The Brother Sewing Machine, XM 2701, where functionality meets creativity, providing you with a sewing experience that's as seamless as your stitches. Number 3 on our countdown of the best-selling sewing machines on Amazon is not your typical sewing tool. Meet the Fine Stitch Gun for Clothes, a mini marvel designed for those quick fixes and detailed tasks that require precision and ease. What sets this stitch gun apart? Let's start with its needle. Equipped with the smallest 0.05-inch needle on the market, it's incredibly gentle on your fabrics. Imagine effortlessly passing through material without leaving any holes behind. Your clothing remains intact, and your fabrics stay flawless. This versatile tool is perfect for temporary basting and quick repairs. Whether you need to hem pants, fasten buttons, secure quilt covers, or even close seams, this mini stitch gun handles it all. It's a must-have for those emergency fixes like attaching clothes to bra straps, adjusting low necklines, or hemming curtains and pants on the fly. Ease of use is where the Fine Stitch Gun truly shines. Simply insert the fastener into the slot, place your target fabric, and press the handle. The operation is completed in a snap. No more fiddling with pins, glue, or tacks. This user-friendly design ensures that anyone, from beginners to seasoned sewers, can achieve professional results with minimal effort. And the best part? This stitch gun is incredibly versatile, working wonders on regular fabrics like wool, linen, cotton, denim, polyester, and other synthetic and natural materials. However, we recommend avoiding leather or lace to prevent any potential damage. With this kit, you get a bounty of invisible micro fasteners, 1,500 in black and 1,500 in white to be precise. These 0.18-inch micro fasteners are tiny and almost invisible on clothing, ensuring a seamless finish. Additionally, the kit includes 2 0.05-inch micro needles, providing you with everything you need for a long-lasting sewing solution. The Fine Stitch Gun for Clothes, where innovation meets convenience, offering a practical and gentle approach to all your sewing and hemming needs. This tool is not just a game changer, it's an essential addition to your sewing arsenal. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling sewing machines on Amazon? Well, don't be a stitch in time and subscribe and press the bell icon, so you're always in the loop. At number 2 on our list of top-selling sewing machines on Amazon, we present the Singer 4423 Heavy-Duty Sewing Machine, a robust, reliable workhorse perfect for both beginners and seasoned sewists. This machine is not just about power, it's about versatility. With 23 built-in stitches, including basic, stretch, decorative, and buttonhole stitches, the Singer 4423 opens up a world of creative possibilities. Fashion projects, home decor, quilts, and crafts. This machine can handle it all with ease and precision. Threading a needle has never been simpler. The automatic needle threader is a game changer, guiding the thread through the eye of the needle effortlessly. No more eye strain or frustration. Just follow the threading path printed right on the machine, and you're good to go. Speed is another hallmark of the Singer 4423. With a maximum sewing speed of 1,100 stitches per minute, you can complete your projects faster than ever. The motor, which is 60% stronger than standard sewing machines, provides exceptional piercing power, making it ideal for thick seams and heavy fabrics. Durability and stability are key features of this machine. The heavy-duty metal frame and stainless steel bed plate ensure long-lasting performance and stability, even with extensive use. This sturdy construction means the Singer 4423 can tackle a variety of heavyweight fabrics without skipping a beat. But that's not all. This machine comes with a comprehensive accessory kit, including an all-purpose foot, zipper foot, buttonhole foot, button sewing foot, seam ripper lint brush, quilting guide, needles, bobbins, screwdriver, auxiliary spool pin, and spool pin felt. All these accessories are conveniently stored in the built-in accessory tray. Plus, a soft-sided dust cover is included to keep your machine protected when not in use. The Singer 4423 Heavy-Duty Sewing Machine, where power meets precision and versatility meets durability. This machine is designed to handle all your sewing needs, making it an invaluable addition to your sewing toolkit. And now, for the grand finale, the #1 best-selling sewing machine on Amazon, the Magicfly Mini Sewing Machine with extension table. This compact powerhouse is perfect for beginners and anyone in need of a versatile, portable sewing solution. Let's talk about convenience. The Magicfly Mini supports both AC/DC power supply and battery power supply, making it a truly wireless wonder. Start your sewing projects with the simple press of a button or the included foot pedal. No fuss, just functionality at your fingertips. This machine isn't just easy to start, it's also easy to use. The dual speed functionality, featuring a double thread design, ensures your stitches are strong and secure. Whether you need to go high speed for quick fixes or slow things down for detailed work, this machine adapts to your pace. A speed button lets you switch between high and slow modes effortlessly, catering to your specific needs. Included with the Magicfly Mini is a practical sewing kit that's second to none. You'll find 32 bobbins, 5 needles, scissors, a threader, tape measure, seam ripper, and a thimble, all neatly packed and ready to go. But that's not all. The extension table adds stability and enhances performance, especially on larger projects. Plus, a handy storage bag ensures everything stays organized. Designed with beginners in mind, the Magicfly Mini features a threading direction clearly marked on the machine, making threading a breeze. Its mini size, just 8.3 inches in height and 7.7 inches in length, makes it compact yet capable. While it offers one stitching type with fixed stitch width and length and no reverse function, it meets the basic sewing needs of most households perfectly. One more thing to note: when your Magicfly Mini arrives, it will already be threaded with a small piece of cloth attached. This is because every machine undergoes testing at the factory to ensure it's ready to use right out of the box. The Magicfly Mini Sewing Machine with extension table, small in size but mighty in function, combining portability, convenience, and practicality into one top-rated package. For beginners and everyday sewing tasks, it stands as the #1 choice, offering reliability and ease with every stitch. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling sewing machines on Amazon. To stay updated with all the top sellers, make sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the products we covered today. Until next time, thank you and see you soon.